My healthy people, you've asked for some healthy recipes, and I've got you covered. Maxine's Corner is on it. Let's lose some weight and let's stay healthy. The biggest thing is not so much losing the weight, but maintaining the weight that you have lost. All right, so for our weight loss recipe today, these are some of our ingredients. I have 1 onion here that I've already chopped up. I have a half of a cucumber, and I have celery, right? Then you're gonna need some bok choy, all right? So here's our bok choy. If you love bok choy, go ahead and give this video what? Big thumbs up. How I cut my bok choy is I pretty much just take it, cut the bottom off like that. Right, cut it off, and this is what we have left. And we're gonna top this off with some quinoa. Now this was some quinoa that I cooked 2 days ago, so I have a video showing you exactly how I make my quinoa. Okay, so along with all this other stuff that you see here, we're gonna enjoy that with some delicious quinoa. Yes. All right, so let's get started in making this delicious weight loss meal. Let's go. Go to my heated pan. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of water, and this is plant-based cooking, guys. And don't forget, we're cooking for weight loss. And then I have some vegetable seasoning that I'm just gonna put on the inside. And the vegetable seasoning that I'm using is the Better Than Bouillon seasoning, and this actually is made with garden carrots, celery, onions, and tomatoes, and this I got from Costco. And make sure you have your heat on medium to low heat. Now I'm gonna add my onions. And what I'm going to do is, you may see that the water is almost drying out. So what you're going to need to do is add another 1/3 cup of water. So that's 2 1/3 cups of water. Then I'm going to add my celery. Don't be afraid. Hey guys, if you love celery, go ahead and give this video a what? Big thumbs up. Add the celery. I'm going to add half of a cucumber. All these delicious flavors all together. You're gonna see it come together so good. So everything is starting to boil together, and you just go ahead and just mix everything together just like that. This is what it looks like right now, and this is our delicious weight loss recipe, guys. It's absolutely delicious. So we have our celery, our cucumbers, and our onions in our pot. Now what I am going to add is my bok choy. Woo! Look at that. Looks so pretty. Easy, simple dinner idea. This is good for after school. The kids, if they love their veggies, they can have it as well. This is perfect to bring to work, for your lunch, aid in your weight loss. Let's go, guys. No excuses. Look how pretty that looks. I know it looks like a lot. Fear not. All this stuff is going to shrink down to nothing, okay? Cover it up for a delicious weight loss recipe. All right? Cover that up, 5 minutes, and then come back. Okay, my healthy people, so 5 minutes later, let's check it out. Looks so good, doesn't it? Yes, I love my veggies. Delicious weight loss recipe. I'm also going to show you how to portion control when you make yourself a plate, okay? So whenever you make yourself a plate of food, I'm going to show you how to portion control as well. All right, so now it's time to add our spices to this. Mrs. Dash, garlic powder, And you notice I really don't cook with a lot of salt. And if I do, I use the Himalayan salt. Some cumin. Not much, you know. And now I'm adding some smoked paprika. Alright? And I'm going to say this is going to be like half of a teaspoon of everything. Right? So the smoked paprika gives it such a nice color and flavor. Absolutely love it. And you know I cannot cook without my turmeric. Yes. Turmeric is such a wonderful spice to cook with. Alright. Now that you've added your spices, time to bring in the wooden spoon. And you know what I love about cooking veggies? When I lived in Jamaica growing up, we really didn't have a lot of money. So veggies, they were so cheap to buy. So my mom would always buy veggies and cook a big pot of rice. So this, for me, like just cooking vegetables, eating vegetables, being vegan, is I grew up eating veggies and, you know, vegetables, fruits, especially growing up in the Caribbean. So for me, like, I just absolutely love cooking, and I love cooking vegetables as well, and I love the flavors because, you know, we cook with a lot of flavor in the Caribbean. We love our spices. Hey, if you love spices, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And look at that. This is what we have. Absolutely delicious. Don't really need to do anything else, but just to get the spices to blend right in. I'm gonna cook this for 2 more minutes and then I'm all done. Okay, so cover this 2 minutes and then you'll be done. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Yes, I said free. You get weight loss tips, weight loss meals, fun time for free. What's better than that? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Wait, veggies. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dish it out. And I'll show you how to portion control when you're dishing out your food. I'm going to show you how to portion control. For my quinoa here, I have half of a cup. It's called portion control. Yes, we must be satisfied with half of a cup of quinoa. And then we have here our veggies. Right? Doesn't that look so good? All right, my healthy people, there we have our veggies and our quinoa. Meal prepping for weight loss. This should absolutely fill you up 100%. Then you drink a delicious glass of water or 2 if needed, and you will be full for the rest of the day. All right? All right, my healthy people, that's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this recipe, go ahead and give this video one big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out some of these other videos. And what? Stay healthy.